In this tutorial, I will show you how to store employee objects to ArrayList and then manipulate it. So ArrayList, we have an employee type. I name it as an employee list, new ArrayList. I will use the default size. We need to import Java util ArrayList. So employee type can report to subtype, full-time and casual class. If you're not quite sure, please report to polymorphism. Says that supertype can report to subtypes. Here we are going to store full-time employee object to ArrayList. The idea is we can store multiple objects to ArrayList, then we can process it later on. Same thing, store casual employee to ArrayList. Method name is add casual object. To process ArrayList, we can use for loop. For index I equal to 0. The size of array is size methods. Here I increase by 1. What we like to do is print what belongs to ArrayList one by one. So here we made to employee list get I that return one object at a time. We will use instance of operator. So if it's full-time employee, we will use toString method belongs to full-time class. Else if get I instance of casual, then we use the method belongs to casual class. So there are two classes, casual and employee. Here we say unknown employee type. So we introduce ArrayList at the beginning. I'm going to use default size, which is 10. Store it one by one. Then process it with the for loop. First start with full-time. Then I will do casual. Yes, then this time I will process casual employee. $20 hours. Here number 2, We can see full-time and part-time employee. Then exit. So idea is so straightforward. We can actually store multiple objects to ArrayList. Then we can process objects belongs to ArrayList. This is how we save it using add methods. We can get the objects belongs to ArrayList using get methods. We can count objects belongs to ArrayList using size methods. That's it. Thank you.